Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at a Unorenco trade we had in crude oil today. Well, first of all, we had a trend reversal breakout right here. You can see that we had a low. We put in a pivot right here. It wasn't a higher pivot high than the previous one. Previous pivot high was up here, but we put in a pivot, came down, put in a higher pivot low right there. Once we broke above this pivot, we had a higher pivot high. So now the trend had changed on this chart. We had gone from a downtrend to an uptrend. Personally, I don't usually take these trend reversal breakouts on the wrong side of the cloud like that, but this one, if you had taken it, would have worked out. But what it did do was set up a trade for us in the afternoon. The trend had changed. We were now making higher highs and higher lows. And then when we made the pullback right here, set up the wick off the 18. This was a new higher high with a new lower low. So we're definitely trending up. Our moving averages were in alignment, price above the cloud, above the smooth 50. A so-so momentum reset. Wasn't the greatest momentum reset in the world, but Fastline did pull back under the 25. Again, not the greatest momentum reset in the world, but still a valid trade. We had our Trender Pro 2.0 signal right there off the 18. Our entry ended up getting filled at 41.86. Upside target was actually 42.23. We ended up breaking above that by a little bit, but target was 42.23. So a pretty quick, easy 280, $300 a contract, depending on how you're managing your trade, but at least $280 per contract if you uh, traded to the entry or traded to the target, 270, something like that. So anyhow, still not a bad trade. I mean, it's just a simple Unorenco trade using the Trender Pro 2.0 signal.